Get excited about the 2012 Chrysler 300C. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chrysler prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, adjustable pedals, and leather upholstery. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and pedal memory yield a more personal driving experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.